Welcome to Inside Their Houses. Christina Haack, known for her role in the popular TV series Flip or Flop and her real estate ventures, recently made headlines with her luxurious mansion in Nashville. This stunning property, which she acquired amidst a new chapter in her life, reflects her taste for luxury, style, and comfort. The mansion, nestled in the exclusive McBee Dynasty neighborhood of Nashville, is an epitome of Southern elegance. The home features a blend of modern amenities with classic Southern charm, offering both luxury and functionality. With expansive open spaces, high-end finishes, and sophisticated details, the home is designed to provide an ideal setting for both entertaining and relaxation. Upon entering the mansion, you're greeted by soaring ceilings and elegant chandeliers, setting the tone for the luxurious feel of the home. The interiors boast a mix of traditional and contemporary elements, with carefully chosen furniture and accents that complement the space. The color scheme is neutral, allowing the architectural features and natural light to take center stage. The open-plan living areas are perfect for hosting guests, with ample room for socializing and unwinding. The kitchen is a chef's dream, outfitted with top-of-the-line appliances, marble countertops, and custom cabinetry. It seamlessly transitions into the spacious dining area, which is perfect for family gatherings or dinner parties. Large windows throughout the home allow for sweeping views of the lush grounds and offer plenty of natural light. The master suite is a standout feature, offering a serene and private retreat. It includes a spacious bedroom, a cozy sitting area, and a luxury ensuite bathroom with a soaking tub, rain shower, and dual vanities. Haack's design aesthetic is reflected in the suite's soothing tones and elegant furnishings, creating a calm, inviting atmosphere. The outdoor space is just as impressive, with manicured gardens, a large pool, and a covered patio area for alfresco dining and relaxation. It's an ideal space for entertaining guests or simply enjoying a quiet afternoon. Christina Haack's Nashville mansion is a true testament to her refined taste and eye for luxury, making it the perfect home for her family and a prime example of her real estate expertise. Thanks for watching.